Hi there, I'm going to showcase 4 houses at Cabrilla in Ponte Vista in San Pedro. These 4 units, 4 houses are built by Meritage Homes. I'm going to showcase all these 4 units today. Okay, now I'm here at residence number 1. This is a 1754 square feet, 3 bedroom, 3.5 bath, and this comes with 2 bay garage. This particular property is in Ponte Vista in San Pedro. The community name is Cabrilla, and the starting price is about 800,000 plus. We have some sitting area here at the entry, and as soon as we go upstairs inside, then we have the main living area is upstairs. As you enter, this is your garage. There is a coat closet here, and as we come here, this is a bedroom. You can convert this to an office if you want, which comes with attached bathroom, a full-size attached bathroom, and a nice vanity. Okay, and then this is the model is created with an office here, but this is a bedroom. It has a window and it has a closet, so this actually is a bedroom. And as you come out, we'll go upstairs. Has got nice LVT luxury vinyl tiles throughout the house. And as soon as you come up, you see this beautiful island, dining area, and a living area. This is beautiful. Residence 1 is really nice. Few things here. So you have your kitchen here. I really like this island. Has got another kitchen side here. But one thing I really like is that you have a balcony right behind the kitchen. This balcony is a little smaller than Residence 4, but still I like it the way it's sitting here, because this can be used for this can be your morning area. You can make your coffee and just be outside. Okay, next to the kitchen we have a powder room. Also, you have your storage here, which is very nice. So kitchen is really nice. So let me go back a little. I'm going to show you how it looks from the other side of the room. Okay, so this is your whole house, the main living area. So your kitchen and your balcony is on the other side. You can open up the sliders, the French doors, and you can be in your balcony while you're cooking and be outside, or you can sit outside, have your couple of drinks or wine there. And your dining is here on this side, and obviously the living on the other side. Really nice layout, I love it. Now we'll go upstairs. This is your 3rd level. These days, work from home culture, you can actually be here. You can put a small desk here, and you can have one person sitting here and doing their office work. But as soon as you come up here, this is a 3-bedroom house. So this is the 2nd bedroom, which has its own attached bathroom. Okay, nice size bathroom. It has got everything you need. Walk-in closet, 2-bay vanity, very nice. It's I think 60 inches also. And then your powder room, bathroom on the other side. So, and then on the other side, we have another bedroom, which also comes with attached bathroom, 2-bay vanity. It's 60 inches again, and then has the commode on the other side. Very nice size, beautiful, and comes with a walk-in closet on the other side. Okay, nice, beautiful. So essentially, this particular residence 1 actually is a 3-bedroom, but every bedroom has got attached bathrooms. So really nice. Now I'm going to showcase the other units.